Let me show you exactly how to find local leads for any industry. Now, the old way of generating leads locally was usually just scraping Google Maps or something like that. But it's almost 2026. Scraping leads yourself is similar to living in the Stone Age. Instead, what we're going to do is use AI to generate those leads. So you come into this app and you literally just tell it what leads you want. For example, let's say we want beauty salons and all of that stuff in Texas, right? That's what we'll do. Find me beauty salons, hairdressing salons, makeup salons, all those beauty thingies in Texas, United States. Return me info of the decision maker. And that's it. We talk to it as if it's ChatGPT, as if it's our friend, and insane. We got 1,000 leads like that. Literally like that. Now, what you can do, if you want, you can filter down even more. It depends on you. Or just chat with the AI and tell it what to do. You can expand the search, find more leads, add different job titles, add different companies, different industries, whatever you want. And when you're ready, you simply click enrich, select what information you want. Is it LinkedIn? Is it email? Or is it both? Select how many contacts you want to export, and that's it. You'll then find all of your leads in the enriched leads tab. You can push them to Salesforce and start doing cold email outreach like that, or LinkedIn outreach, whatever you want. Now, there are more ways to generate local leads than this. They're not as good, but if you want different ways, then you can take a look at this video where I cover how to generate local leads for any niche.